and work hard. Remember your R to be proud. Remember that sharp and blow.
There's actually a squirrel on the bird feeder. No wonder there's always such a mess. Those jerks. That's why the birds, I thought the birds were taking...
Oh, look at the birds. Look, look, look.
Oh, there were lots of birds here.
But he goes on right after the...
There were at least 3 birds at one time. But the squirrel chases them away.